Hello everyone, welcome to my Python for Generative AI by Punekirti BL. This is a new series which teaches Python basics for Generative AI. Today we are going to learn swap two numbers in Python. So hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to swap two numbers in Python. Swapping means exchanging their values. For example, if a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10, after swapping a should become 10 and b should become 5. So we are using method 1 using a temporary variable. So what we are going to do, so we take a is an variable, b is an variable with the 12, a as value as 12 and b as value as 34. Also we will take a temporary variable. First what we will do, a value will be assigned to temp variable and b will be, in second step b will be assigned to a, then temporary variable value whatever it is there, it will be assigned to b. How we can write that in program? Let's see. I am using Google Colab. This is my code. So a is equal to 12 and b is equal to 34 I have assigned. Then I will print before swapping. We'll print a is equal to what is the current value. Then again I will print b is equal to current value. Let's run and see. So as of now a value will be 12 and b value is equal to 34. Now what I will do, I will create a temporary variable, and this for temporary variable I am assigning the value of a. Then I assign for a value, a variable, assign the value of b. Then for b I assign the value of temp. So print after swapping, I am printing a value and b value. When I run, now you see before swapping a is equal to 12 and b is equal to 34. After swapping a is equal to 34 and b is equal to 12. The same code we have. First we store in a temporary variable called temp, then we copy b into a, finally we copy temp into b. This is the traditional method used in many programming language. Okay, there is a Python shortcut like called tuple unpacking. How to do that? So I will take these print statements and I will go to new code. So a is equal to 12, b is equal to 34. Again I am running. So it is printed. Now I will add a logic like this. This is a comma b and b comma a. Now I will take from printing statement and I will print. Now if I run, see it is swapped. Before swapping a is equal to 12, b is equal to 34. After swapping a is equal to 34, b is equal to 12. How it is possible? Let's see. In Python, we can do the same thing in just one line. A comma b is equal to b comma a. Here what happens behind the scenes? Python creates a tuple b comma a on the right hand side. Then it unpacks the tuple into a and b. So a gets the old value of b and b gets the old value of a. Conclusion. So we learned two ways to swap numbers: using a temporary variable the traditional way, using tuple unpacking Python shortcut. Both give the same result, but the tuple unpacking method is cleaner and more Pythonic. So thank you for watching. This is Python for Generative AI series. I am Punyakirti BL. So for new videos for Generative AI Python, please follow me or subscribe in YouTube. Thank you very much.